This is one of the hardest obstacle courses in all of Minecraft, and whichever one of these people finishes it first gets $10,000 worth of Doritos.
Fall down instead of going back or something. They're just going through the cobwebs all the way to the end. Or just bomb everyone like this do. Or just trap it. Or just kill all of them. You know, that's just mass murder right here. That's not nice. Where's he at? Oh no! No! That's okay. We're back. Okay. It's not messing with us. We did it. What is... What? Oh, okay, spawning. I'm so confused. What am I supposed to do? I'll just stop. It's not. Why not? Sure. I'm sorry, CeeLo. Don't ban me. Desperate times. And bam. Alright, we're over. Whoa! I just watched someone get murdered. He just got murdered.
Wilbur, no! Yes! Flaming, how did that make you feel?
Sad.
Oh, this one's open. This looks easy enough. I just don't like how there's 50 people here. And oh, it's ice. Oh no, I hate ice. I hate ice parkour so much. This is my worst parkour. Ice parkour is my worst. Oh, okay. I almost just overshot that. Okay, we made it. We made it. We made it. I hate ice parkour so much. You have no idea how much I hate ice parkour.
Do you guys know what you're competing for yet?
Nope.
Whoever finishes first gets $10,000 in Doritos. That guy got set. No, don't walk off.
Anyone else?
So no one has any opinion on that?
That dude just died? Just get murdered? Again? Yeah, another person just died right next.
They don't want Doritos. He left the server and left the chat. All right.
Hey, hold on. There's nothing YouTuber. Obviously, can you do this? We're watching this guy go first. None of us know. Oh, what? What? I've never seen this before. I've never done this before. I've never done this or seen this before. Oh, this is actually scary. Oh, we're all the way at the beginning.
1 hour later.
I need to get a pie again. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Don't die, don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die.
2 hours later.
Okay, we're back here. This is the part where I messed up. I don't think anyone's gone past here. We did. Okay, we got it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We made it. Okay, we made it past. Where do we go here? Slime block. Okay, please don't mess this up. Please don't mess this up. Oh, we're the only ones here. What's up, Wilbur? Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Wilbur, please don't kill me. I have a family to live with. Please don't kill me. No, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. No. No. Please, no. I'm I'm innocent. Ow. That hurt. That's painful. That's painful. Oh, what is that? What is that? Yeah, not even gonna lie, I feel like they made it easier. I think they did. Let's do this. What is this? Slime parkour. Yo, I've been practicing on Mana Cube, slime parkour. This is snowman map. I'm trying to be better, you know what I'm saying? Okay, this is that speed one that I noticed earlier. And it's so sad. Bruh. Might as well just go for it. Up here, just jump for it. This is a little laggy, not gonna lie. Okay, we're here, we made it. Is this the last stage? Oh, what is this? It's kind of crazy. Oh, they dropped it. Oof. Oh no, rip that guy. I can't see where I'm going. I want to take that note. Come on. White, please, white. Just get up. Come on. No, he broke it in front of me. Wow. That's cold. You know, just cause the event's over now, I'm just gonna beat the end. If I get to the last block and I jump into the wall, I won, okay? I wanna hear it. We're gonna do it. We're going for it. Oh, it's on up. And I made it. I made it to the flag. Boost me up, lava. Come on, boost me up, lava. Come on, fire. Oh, I didn't work. I won. There you go. I won. I don't care. You all saw stuff. Easy victory.